Hello, students. Today we are going to start the new topic. It's the uh, classification of the animal on the basis of their food habits. On the basis of the food habits, animals are of three types. The number one is herbivore, then second it will be the carnivore, and third it will be the omnivore. Then see one by one. The first is a herbivore. The word herbivore is made up of the two herba and the vore. Herba means vegetation and vore means to eat. It means those animals which eat the vegetation, those animals which eat the plants, they are called the herbivore. There are so many examples, cow, buffalo, goat, giraffe, and deer. So many are there. Horse also. Now, those animals have two type of the teeth. One is sharp cutting teeth and second is the grinding teeth. First is the sharp cutting teeth and second one is the grinding teeth. Then sharp cutting teeth at the front and the flat white grinding teeth at the back. Now, second is the carnivore. Then carnivore are the animal that eat only other animals. They are called the carnivore. Caro means meat or flesh, and as you know, vora means to eat. Those animals which eat the flesh, they are or meat, they call the carnivore. Now, teeth. They have the long and sharp teeth uh, for the tearing, because they have to tear the flesh. That's why they have the canines, long canines. Example: lion, tiger, eagle, etc. Now, next, omnivore. Animal that eat both plant and animal are called omnivore. And omnis means all or everything. It means those animals which eat everything, they are called the omnivore. It means they can eat the material which eat the carnivore as well as the material which eat the herbivore. It means plant and animal, they can eat both. For example, there are also so many examples are there. It is bear, lion, bear, and second maybe the humans, and maybe the birds also. Okay, now today's lesson is finished.